Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to skip the Apple account login screen on setup on an iPad. To do it, you just need to click on forgot password or don't have an account. Then you can either create the account, and it's gonna be pretty useful because without it you can't add your tablet to the Find My. So if your tablet gets stolen or lost, then if someone takes it, they can just reset it pretty simply and just use it. So to protect your tablet, and later on you can find it on the map, the location of it. I recommend having that account, but of course you can click on setup later in settings, don't use, and now click on agree and continue with the setup. But I still recommend having that account, so besides the Find My, you also have access to App Store, iCloud and other services. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.